Hello guys. The same question when I was a beginner and after 10 years of trading stocks, it's the same thing, the same question and the same answer. Why stocks go up and why they go down? It means there should be something behind. Now, you think that these things or the reasons, they are so simple. In my opinion, there are a lot of reasons. Some are hidden, some people know, some they are like fundamental, related to the company itself, some are related to technical analysis and how the people see the chart. Some are related to the media. It means all they influence the company stock. So in order to buy or to sell, you should have a reason why you buy. Because when you buy with this reason, somebody else will not buy because of your reason. He will buy by another reason. And that's why you find a lot of people buying the same stock with different time. The only reason is that they think differently. Okay, so let's go and just give you an example of explanation. So let's say we begin with a stock that it is doing good. So let's say the stock was $20.25. Okay, and let's say it's going up. Now it is 65 after 1 year of growth. Now we begin with technical analysis. Now, technical analysis, it means those. So, technical analysis, okay, so is for those, let's say, day traders and swing traders, and in general position traders, which is in the middle. Now all these, they use the price. It means there is a candlestick here that's going up, so these guys, like day traders, they try to find a way to enter and then to sell in the same day. These are day traders. Swing traders, they follow the trend for some time or short time, and position traders from 1 year to 3 years. And then we have the what we call the investors who took too much time holding the stock. Now, so the stock goes up mainly because of swing traders, position traders, and investors. Okay, those people, the three people who are moving the stock for the long run in order to have this trend. Now, day traders, since they buy and they sell in the same day, so there is buy and sell in the same day, so they make the stock volatile, but they exit the trade. It means their shares is not what makes the trend going up. Okay, but you can see a day trade like this, a stock when it is a candlestick, it's very good one day, and then you see a day, for example, which is going down. Okay, So these are fluctuations of the day traders, but what they buy as shares, they sell. So it is out of the trend. Now, what makes the trend is the swing traders, because they buy and they don't sell. Okay? They sell later, but not now, not on the same day. Position traders, they stay 3 years. From 1 year to 3 years. It means they stay long. And investors, they keep the trend stable and going up, and most of the time they will never sell. Now, all these are called technical analysis. It means people, they buy because of the price fluctuation. When there is fluctuation, these guys are buying because of the price. Now, there is another thing I will show you right now, which has nothing to do with technical analysis. Those are the investors using fundamental analysis. Okay? Now, fundamental analysis is those two here. They could be a position trader and an investor. Okay? They use what you call fundamental analysis. It means they go to the company and try to see what's good in it, and then if it is good for them according to their criteria, they buy. Okay? So this is what we call fundamental analysis. So all these people that you see here are buying either by technical analysis or fundamental analysis. So these two, try to remember them, because right now I will give you other kind of trading or investing, but it is with another way. These guys, they don't look at the company and how it's worth, or if the company will be here after 5 years or 10 years or 20 years. Most of the time, they are so lazy to study anything. Now, you tell me, for example, what do you think about technical analysis? Also, these people, they have no idea about technical analysis. They don't know how to buy the stock by price. They have no idea about it. So you ask me the question, who are these other people that they buy without technical analysis and without a fundamental analysis? Okay, let's drink some coffee, then. Let's go right now and I'll show you. As we have seen these two, now we go to the third kind of thing that we use in order to buy, which is the media. Now, when I say the media, it is those gurus that you see in TV, gurus, or those people who know the future of anything. Okay, this is how they say. They ask you to buy, they ask you to sell, they ask you to hold, they ask you to wait. You know, they ask you a lot of things, and they think that the market, they know the market what will do, so they know the future. Now, you find also TVs, okay, like CNN or CNBC or Bloomberg or any other media, okay. You find websites that they give advice what to buy and what to sell. So all these are the media. Now, why I put this as a third thing that influence traders and investors? It influence the market. Influence the market. Okay? Now, this guru, for example, he has, for example, let's say 5 million who are watching him each day or each week. Now, 5 million people are influenced by this guy. That's why this guy is paid too much money by the companies and mutual funds, and so whatever he said, he knows that this 5 million will, most of them will do what he asks people to do. And this is why this kind of gurus or TVs or websites, they have a very power influence on the market. They can change course of the market. Okay? So they have a big influence. Now, so these people here, they get the information from this guru, TV, or website, or whatever, online, and they just buy, or they sell their shares, or they hold, or they don't buy until this guy tells them what to do. So these guys, they have no clue what's going on, but they just trust this guy and they buy. Even if they lose, it doesn't matter. He tells them to buy. Okay? Now, there is another thing. This is the major thing that you can see. And there is a major big fluctuation is news. Okay? News makes influence the price for a short time. Influence the price for short time. Now, and almost of you knows, for example, when we have a gap up or we have a gap down, this is because of the, let's say, the earning news, for example. Earning news. Okay? This earning news is for the company, or it could be company news, other company news. It could be national news, or it could be international news. All this kind of news, sometimes international news. All this kind of news influence the market. It means the stocks. That's why you see stocks going up for a long trend. But this news is just for a short time, not like the others. Okay? So, since we saw these 4 categories, we say that the people, day traders or swing traders or investors, okay, they buy, so they influence the trend, so the trend is going up. And we said that day traders, since they buy and they exit, it means their shares that they bought is out of the trend. So the trend is not going to be good with them because they buy and they sell in the same day. Okay? Now, swing traders, position traders, and then investors who influence a lot the trend. Now, we didn't speak about other kind of influence, which is the big buyers. Now, big buyers are like mutual funds, pension plans, insurance, banks, and they buy because of they manage, or because they have orders from their customers and they buy for them. Okay? According to recommendations or according to management And that's why all this will push the trend up. And everybody who has money, they choose that stock, and this is his reason. Now, since we finished with the going up, now what makes the trend go down for a stock? And if you remember, just yesterday I have showed you a comparison between stocks and the Dow Jones. If you didn't see that video, please watch it. It's yesterday. Now, let's go now and check why the trend is down and what's the thing that push the stock to be going down. It should be reasons. Okay, so let's go and check all this stuff before we go to this one. So we give another example. The stock is $65 and it's going down. Let's say now it's $23.25. Now, if you ask yourself why this stock was here and now it is here. Let's say we take the same example is 1 year. Now, going down is not the same as going up because we have other people who interfere. Going down, we can use mutual funds because they influence a lot. Okay, so they manage stocks in their portfolio, and sometimes these guys, they sell. Now when they sell, they just sell their shares. They don't sell short. Okay, so mutual funds, they don't sell short, but they sell their shares. It means shares they own. Now, second people they come is hedge funds managers. Okay, they sell short for a long term. It could be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and they are following this. Now, if you ask me why these people are selling, now mutual funds, sometimes they stay with the stock 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and they get too much profits, or they bought it and it is a loser, so they have to sell it and to change it with another stock. Now, hedge funds, they sell short because they see the stock is going down and he might be having some company information. It's the same as the company information is the same as the mutual fund managers. Okay, it means this is fundamental analysis. Okay, what does it mean, fundamental analysis? It means that the company, this company, okay, this company here has problems, problems in the earnings, problems in profits, problems in management, competition, a lot of kind of problems. And this, if you want to know an example, try for example to see Sears. Okay, Sears, and now it is, I think it is sold, or I don't know, but the stock right now is very, very low. but it was very, very big. So this company has problems. That's why it lost the market and the stock will be going down. This is just an example. You can find other kind of examples. And understand that other people, they sell because of recommendations. Recommendations, for example, you go to analysts, okay? You go to analysts. This is what happened always. Analysts, and this is okay? Analysts, and this is under what we call the media. And these analysts, for example, they say to you, sell. Okay? They can give you reasons why. Reasons for this company to sell. Okay? So, when you own this stock, some people, they just sell without thinking why or how, or without thinking, and this is a big influence. Okay? And when the people see that the stock is going down into it was here, now it is here, they see that it is going down. Some people, they try to buy like this, to buy because the stock is going down. They think it will go up, but sometimes they are mistaken, and then the stock will go down again and they lose all their money. So, as I told you, the media, the analysts in general, they give this sell opinion and they let people sell because of these reasons. Now, the analysts also, you find a stock that it is losing money for a long time, but they ask you to buy and they give you reasons. Okay? Sometimes when they ask some people to buy, they will see how effective. For example, an analyst say buy this stock because of these reasons. Let's say they announce this. They announce this on the 2nd of June 2018. Now, they will see after a few days if the stock is going up again. Now, this going up again is the influence of these guys on the market. And this guy, he might be paid millions of dollars because of this going up. Because a lot of people, they have bought here, okay, and they give analysts money to get good reasons for this company, and they buy. So the people here who buys know nothing about the company, and they trust this analyst. And this, as I told you before, is a very big problem in the market. That's why when you whatever you when you buy a stock, it can go into a very long trend, but for you just bought on the right time, you have made money from the trend, but in general you don't know what are the other reasons that make this stock go up. So it's not only one reason. There are many reasons. And if you ask anyone, any investor, any position trader or swing trader, you ask him why you buy the stock, he will give you a reason. For example, for us, we use technical analysis. It means we just see the chart, the price. If there is a trend, we buy. We don't care about these reasons they say. But other people who are position traders, who are investors, they need to know if this company is a good company first before they buy. It means they don't just buy because they buy or because of the price. Okay? So they should need to see something in the company. Other people, as I told you, they have no idea about any company, no idea about technical analysis. They have no idea at all. They just go to TV. He told them, oh, this company is good, buy it. He goes and he buys it and he leave it for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and then he see it. So they don't care that much about the thing. If they lose, they lose. If they win, they win. So for them, it's just like this. And some people, they have no idea what they are doing in the market. That's why we say the market is illogical. Someone asks me before a question. He told me, you want to buy a stock right now. Why the other sells to you? Because if the stock is good, why the other is selling? I told him that this has to do with the whole market reasons. When you buy, you think that the stock is going up. Someone else thinks that the stock is not going up and it will go down. So who is right, who is wrong? It is the market who decide after a few days or few weeks or few months. It will decide and it will give you the right answer, because the price is the right answer for any question about the future. Whatever happens in the future is the price that decide. Okay? So thank you very much. Please go and watch the video of yesterday when I compare stocks that are going up and that are going down. You might have a clear idea about my explanation and understand that the market is illogical. So don't use your common sense to trade stocks, because you will always fail. Okay? So thank you very much and see you tomorrow, if God wills.